The year is winding down, and there are two big numbers this week that could cause major effects. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 12th of December. And of course, as a floor trader, this would be my last week of the year. And it'll probably be my last week of the year as a screen trader, but we'll see what it looks like. But in the meantime, the markets are miserable. There's no volume, there's no liquidity. They are higher, which is consistent with our positions, okay, as we are long everything except for the Russell now in the major indices. But overall, it's just so ridiculously quiet. But you do have CPI tomorrow morning, and you have FOMC on Wednesday, which could really cause some major action in these markets. In the meantime, you've got crude oil suddenly spiking. It was higher, it was lower, now it's higher again. We're still short. Gold is lower, silver is lower. We're long both of those. Bonds and notes are both higher. We're long. The euro currency is higher, we're long. The dollar's lower, we're short. Bitcoin is flat and we're short, but it has had a nice little move as we thought it might from those levels. Copper is getting pounded and we're long. Nat gas is higher and we're short. So obviously a lot of things in these thin, ridiculous markets that make things more problematic. In the grain markets, corn is higher, we're short. Beans are lower, we're long. And wheat is higher and we're short. Okay. In the protein complex, pretty flat. We're short feeders. Excuse me, we're long feeders, short fats, and short hogs. In the softs, cocoa is lower, we're short. Cotton is lower, we're short. Sugar is lower and we're long. OJ is lower and we're short, and coffee is exploding higher and we're long. Look, at the end of the day, I'd like to shut it all down. There's just nothing going on anywhere. We don't do that because we're following our algorithms. But overall, there's just really a lack of true activity and lack of liquidity in these markets. In the meantime, just be careful out there. Remember our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, running along the sides, and of course our high school program. And of course, don't forget, we had football tonight. Okay, had a pretty good weekend. Tonight we like the New England Patriots over the Arizona Cardinals, who stink. In the meantime, again, as I urge you always, just be cautious and be careful. There's nothing to do crazy here. Too much news coming out, too much data into a thin, illiquid market, and don't try to get caught getting short here either. You don't like to typically sell into dull markets. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.